What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Greninja from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top. Just going to bring that down towards the bottom of our oval and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. We'll bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Let's move to the center of the oval along the inside. Just angle the brow going up and then out. And we'll line that up on the right side. Let's pull the pupil towards the inside. Starting at the top, we're going to draw a smaller oval, coming down and then up on the inside. Let's move to the center and draw a smaller oval. Now from the inside of the eyelid, just going to curve this down and then in towards the middle of the head. Go back up on the right. And then from that center point, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of that center fin. Let's round out the side of the fin. Starting from the top, we're going to start with the left side. We're going to go out, down, and then back in towards that bottom. And then going back up to the top of the eyes, then it's in and then down towards the side of the fin. Then it's down and then out towards the eye. Let's go underneath the eyes, draw a curve, coming down and then back in towards the center. Go out and up towards the right eye. Let's add those fins along the side of the head. We're going to start from the top of the eye, angle this up and then out. Draw another angle line going out towards the left and go up and out towards the right. Now I want to bring this back in towards the side of the eye. I'm just going to bring this down and in to right about there. And then we'll round up the side of the head and just pull that in towards the bottom of the eyes. From the top of the eyes, let's move up. It's going to curve the head, going up and then in towards the side of the fin. Let's move up towards this point, step down, then it's in and then down. Now with the head complete, let's wrap the tongue around the neck. We're going to start from the side of the head, then it's around, come down in the middle. I'm just going to tuck that up along the bottom of the head on the right side. Let's move to the center, come down and out towards the right, go all the way around, just tuck that in towards the side of the head. Let's wrap the tongue around the back of the head, coming out on the left side. We'll start from the base of this fin, going out, and we'll bend that down. Round out the tip of the tongue and go back up. Now I just want to taper this so it gets narrower as it comes back up and in towards the side of the head. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, bend the body coming down and then in towards the hip. Go to the right and do the same thing. In the center, we're going to move down and draw a curve, coming down and then up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a point. We're going to go up in the middle and then back down towards the right. Let's add that trim in the center of the body, starting from the left, come down. We go in behind that spike, continue up on the right side. Now we tuck the legs in underneath the body. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve this out, round out the leg. I'm just going to pull that up underneath the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line up the hips, going out, come all the way around, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add a circle across the knee, starting on the left, going all the way around, and then down. And we'll add that small detail across the leg. Come down and in, and then back up. Let's add a smaller point along the inside. Now let's draw the lower half of the leg. We're going to start from the knee, then it's out, and then down. Let's add an oval along the bottom, leaving a gap along the top. And then from here, we're just going to bend this up and out, and go out and then down towards the second toe. Let's draw another oval, going all the way around and then back in. Now from the outside, we're going to bend this in and then up. It's at a point, coming down. Bend this in and up underneath the leg. Now we want to connect the inside of the toes with the curve, going up and then down on either side. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start from the top of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the fingers. And then from here we're going to draw a circle with an open end along the top. Let's go up and then back out towards the second finger. Let's draw in another circle, going all the way around. Then again, going in and then back out towards the third finger. And then we'll add that last circle, going around and then down. And I want to bend the arm coming in about halfway to right about there. And then we're going to draw an oval across the elbow. Do the same thing on the right. Coming in, and we'll draw in that oval. Let's continue that curve along the inside of that oval, going up underneath the head. And then we'll add a pointed tail on the left hip. Now let's connect each of the fingers along the inside with a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Greninja from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.